Okay guys, it is a beautiful Monday morning, and of course we will be having the trending market for the week. We will be analyzing the market together for a whole week and we get to see how the markets will go throughout the week. Okay, so I will be doing this together so that you guys can also benefit from it. Okay, so let's go straight into it right away. However, before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I use to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the opportunities shared in these videos, and of course guys, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away? So guys, quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, these are the assets we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video will be from the higher time frame, because we are checking out the trending market for the week for each of the assets. Okay, so this is very important to help us to analyze the markets in a better way. Okay, so whenever you are trading, you should be able to differentiate between the higher time frame and the lower time frame, so that you will be able to trade successfully. Since most of us will be able, will be trading from the lower time frame, so this is very important. Remember, every little pullback on higher time frame can be a total reversal in price action on lower time frame. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. This is Boom 1000. I'm on daily time frame, and of course I'm using the trend milker trading analysis trading indicator to do my analysis right here. You can see the yellow flag. It signifies that the market is on uptrend, and this had been on uptrend right from here for so many weeks, and of course got to this region, played around there for a while, but after that it picked up and broke out from that resistance zone, and of course got to a new resistance zone. So it sold for a while, but at the moment it is having a pullback, so this is still buying at the moment. Okay, so once it is done with that, it can go back into a downtrend. Okay, it's possible for it to buy till it get to this region. If it breaks out from here, then definitely it will want to get to this particular point, but for now this is where we are looking at. Okay, so this is still on uptrend at the moment, so let's check it out. This is on uptrend at the moment. Now let's move on to the next asset, which is going to be Boom 500. Okay, so Boom 500 was on uptrend before, starting from this support zone. It was on uptrend for so many weeks, and of course it came to an end at this resistance zone, so it has started a downtrend right now. We got the red flag, the red arrows, and of course it has been selling since then. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity, so more of a downtrend than an uptrend. Okay, so next asset is going to be Crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. Okay, this is Crash 1000. Crash 1000 had been more of downtrend than an uptrend, but it has got into this support zone, tried to pull up but went back again, and of course this time around it's still trying to pull up, but we need it to break out above this resistance zone. Once it breaks out above it, then it's going to buy more, but for now it's still more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Okay, so the next asset is going to be Crash 500. Okay, this is Crash 500. It was on uptrend before it got to this resistance. It was unable to go above that, so it sold for a while, pulled back a bit, and of course started selling again. So this is still on downtrend. Okay, and of course it broke out from this support zone, so it's going to sell more. Okay, so we expect it to be getting to this region, and of course if it breaks out from there, then definitely it's still going to sell more. So this is going to sell for a very long time, so this is going to be more of a downtrend than an uptrend. Okay, so the next asset is going to be Volatility Sound 5, and it's going to be the last asset for today. Okay, this is the last asset for today. Volatility Sound 5 still on downtrend. Okay, right from this resistance zone it started the downtrend. You can see the red flag and the red arrow, and of course it kept on selling till it got to this region, played around there for a while, but went down till it got to this support zone. Okay, it has not been able to break out from here. If it's unable to break out from here, then it will go back into an uptrend, so we're trying to see if it will push up into an uptrend right from here. Okay, but it has been more of a downtrend for a very long time, so this is still on downtrend, except if it start pushing up from here. So at the moment still on downtrend. This might not be for a very long time anyway, so it's most likely for it to get back on uptrend any moment from now. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with, and of course all you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the opportunities shared in my videos, and of course make sure you practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.